Crypto Basics, Understanding Blockchain. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to RelaxFinance, your ultimate guide in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies. I'm JC, and today we're embarking on an essential journey into the foundation of the crypto universe, understanding blockchain. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a total beginner, get ready to unravel the mysteries of this groundbreaking technology. So, hit that subscribe button and let's dive deep into the heart of crypto basics, understanding blockchain. To truly grasp the essence of blockchain, we must rewind the clock to the birth of Bitcoin in 2008. An enigmatic figure or group, Satoshi Nakamoto, introduced the concept of a decentralized ledger in the white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This visionary idea gave birth to what we now know as blockchain, a distributed, transparent, and immutable ledger that forms the backbone of various cryptocurrencies. Now, let's demystify the mechanics of blockchain. At its core, a blockchain is a chain of blocks, each containing a list of transactions. But how does it maintain security and transparency? When a transaction occurs, it's broadcasted to a network of computers or nodes. These nodes validate the transaction through consensus mechanisms like proof of work or proof of stake, ensuring its legitimacy. Let's zoom in on a block. Each block contains a unique identifier called a hash, a timestamp, and a list of transactions. But what makes it truly secure is the connection to the previous block through a cryptographic hash, creating an unbreakable chain. This structure not only ensures the integrity of each transaction, but also makes altering any information in the block practically impossible. Blockchain isn't a one-size-fits-all technology. There are public blockchains like Bitcoin, private blockchains used by enterprises, and consortium blockchains where multiple organizations collaborate. Each serves different purposes but retains the core principles of transparency and security. Whether it's for decentralized currencies or streamlining business operations, blockchain adapts to various needs. Let's explore the advantages and challenges of blockchain technology. From enhanced security and transparency to reducing fraud, blockchain offers a myriad of benefits. However, it's not without its hurdles, including scalability concerns, energy consumption in certain consensus mechanisms, and regulatory uncertainties. Understanding these aspects is crucial for a holistic view of blockchain's potential and limitations. Now let's shift gears and look at the real-world applications of blockchain beyond cryptocurrencies. From supply chain management and healthcare to voting systems and digital identity, blockchain is revolutionizing industries and transforming the way we interact with information. The possibilities are vast, and the impact is tangible across diverse sectors. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding blockchain. Whether you're here to enhance your crypto knowledge or explore the potential of this transformative technology, I hope this journey has been enlightening. If you found value in today's exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is JC signing off from RelaxFinance. Until next time, keep embracing the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies.